And let's have a closer look at those front pages, starting with the Times, Cressida. What have they got on the cover?
They've got protection for teachers, free speech on religion, push for change after protests and death threats. So this is a new report from Lord Walney, who is the government's advisor on political violence and disruption, and he's suggesting new guidance for schools. Teachers will be given protection from claims of blasphemy by religious groups under proposals set out in this report. Which is all well and good. This is coming off the back of what happened at Batley Grammar School. A child scuffed a Quran and then lots of parents protested, sent death threats. I believe the teacher...
That was a separate... That was the Wakefield incident.
Well,
There's been a few incidents. So the Batley Grammar teacher, I believe he showed... Did he show a cartoon or something?
Is he the Muhammad? Right.
Yeah, and the wrong Muhammad. It's the prophet. So, and that's obviously, a lot of people go nuts if you do that. So he had to go into hiding, and he's still, 3 years on, he's still in hiding.
With his family.
With his family, yeah.
Which might make you think, well, this is a great idea, but I have to say, did we need new guidance, or could the old laws in place have been used to stop what's already happened?
Yeah.
I'm sure it was never OK to treat teachers like that.
Yeah, but I mean, if all it takes is new legislation, well, so be it. So this is an independent review commissioned by the government, and in the recommendations they have emphasized the fact for this to become statutory, so teachers can have legal protection against such threats and mistreatment.
But do you think legislation can actually deal with this issue? Because, I don't think those mobs of Islamists baying for a teacher's blood are going to be like, oh, wait a minute, we're breaking the law doing this.
Well, that is my fear. Personally, if I were a teacher, I don't think I would be any more inclined to show a cartoon of Muhammad after this report than before it.
Maybe a better solution would be to arm teachers with AK-47s.
Well, I am pro Second Amendment, pro gun. Obviously, in this country, it's still a dream. But I've always said that, yes, let's deal with the root of the problem. And the root of the problem is when you open the borders and you bring in millions of people who have totally diverse values and modus operandi.
Yeah.
And then there we are.
And we've got a picture of the Muhammad... Oh, no, we don't. Anyway, moving on.